What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Peckham and I live not too far from here. I lived around this sort of area for the last couple of years, but I haven't really explored it much. I'm from East London originally. Peckham is southeast, so it's not actually far away at all. And it is definitely one of the most vibrant high streets in London. It's full of different cultures, restaurants, breweries, there's bars there. But again, yeah, it's not something I've not really looked into. So today, I thought we'd just walk up and down the high road, see what's there, poke around a bit, and I'll show it to you. It's also super cold today. So there was just some really nice paintings of Peckham in general. So you've got like the wine bar, I think it's called Force of Wine, which I'll see if we can jump into. You've got this cinema behind me, which is only like £5 for a ticket, which is a result, I've not been in there yet. As you can see, the high road just goes down here and up here. So what I think I might do is just start on one end and just walk to the next. What's everyone queuing up for?
Across the road in a bit.
Oh yeah. If things get desperate, right?
So all along the street, you've got different markets for different sort of countries and cultures. You've got, I think that's for African, American, Asian, Caribbean. So there's pretty much everything in here. Fish market, then you've got butchers. You can see. Right. There's loads of meat.
Number 15, Fayyaz. Number 15.
Veg. You've got a lot of dried fish. I had to get out there because I was getting in everyone's way. But there's another one here. But yeah, you can get really fresh produce and stuff that you just wouldn't find in normal supermarkets. So it's really interesting to look around. But I think I was being annoying to everyone, so best to leave. Right, behind this bus should be Peckham Rice Station, which the last time I was there, it's like no one's touched it for about 80 years. So you've got this like fruit market. But yeah, you can see there's just closed down stuff and everything's kind of like overgrown. Everything's kind of just left. So you've got a TSB Bank. I don't even know if that exists anymore. But then you come to the actual station here in this courtyard. And then when you come out of the station, you've got this little CLF Art Lounge and Roof Garden. Let's just have a look. Ooh, I don't know if this is open, but we'll have a little look. You got quite a nice bar there. And then that was actually really cool. I don't fancy a drink yet, but that's quite a good spot. It's open till 1. Really nice rooftop.
Is this the entrance?
Yes, yeah, just go right there. Yeah. Yes, if you like your Latin music and a late night drink, this is a really great shout. It's really nice in there. Nice little date spot. And open till late, which is rare in London. Then when you come out, so there's that rooftop bar. So you've got that bar there. You've got, which is quite a big sort of like wine bar. So that whole thing was the wine bar. And then an Honest Burgers, which is always nice to see. We've also got just on from Honest Burgers, under these arches, you've got the Brick Brewery, which is a little microbrewery.
That's a nice one.
A tattoo shop. And then Peckham Arches. Smells of fresh paint down here. So you've got, okay, it's a little bar here. Happy hour. 2 cocktails for £12. Not bad. Let's have a look. It's pretty dead at the moment, because it's only around about 3 o'clock. So you've got the brewery there, Honest Burgers, then I'll turn you around. You've got a nice little cute Italian restaurant, I think that is. Wine bar. And then up here, you're back onto the high street. The famous Khan's Bargains. And then more markets. I think that's kind of that little area. It's actually quite nice. Little kebab place. Sometimes you really have to look up in London to see something interesting. Like this is, I don't know, it's like a little cove. And this just brings you out somewhere. I don't want to go. There's like a discarded fridge. Ooh. It's kind of like a retro game store here. 4 quarters. I'm gonna check that out. Ooh. Time Crisis. That's Time Crisis. It's quite a cool little bar. Point Blank as well. You've heard about the bar. Okay, we've kind of reached the end of the street. There's not much else to really see. Just loads of stores, markets. I want to get something to eat, so I'm going to find something along here, and then maybe we'll get a drink. Quite fancy something a little bit healthy. Try maybe down this. I think there's a ramen bar. So down this alley. There should be, yes. Okay, I'm gonna give that a go. Is it open? Oh, yeah. Oh, this place is called Tonkotsu. Yeah, it's freezing. I've gone for the chili chicken ramen and a pint of Kirin, and this looks absolutely banging. I was really tempted to try the street food outside, but I wanted something a little bit healthier. I wanted so it's cold outside, so I wanted like soup or ramen. So this is a great option in my opinion. It's unreal. Right, how do I attack this? Okay, let's just go for the broth first. Really good. They say it's like sea salt and soy base, I believe. But that is banging. So we have obviously noodles, we've got the chicken here, some bamboo, peas, and I don't know what that is, but we'll give it a go. The chicken is unreal, so tender, salty. Nice little kick for the chili, not too hot though. One of the best combinations in the world. And then the noodles, not doughy at all, clean and crisp. This is up there with the best ramens I've had. There is an egg in here somewhere, but I've lost it. Where's my egg? Okay, there was an egg in here. No idea where it's gone. Okay, that absolutely slaps. Whoa. Mind the step if you do come here. That was actually one of the best ramens I've ever had. So I definitely recommend that. I can't remember the name of the place. Tonkotsu. Also just realised that in the same building is the rooftop bar for Wine. Oops, sorry.
I think he's already told me. Okay.
Okay, I can't remember which floor it is. 5? Oh yeah, here we are. This is the race. Okay, I've gone for a Negroni. These are £10 and you get a fair amount in them because there's a lot of bars in London where you just get like the smallest measures. So you get a fair bit for your money. It's a good one as well. It's a really good one. You also have this amazing view, which is pretty much the whole of London. So there is the Shard, which we were at, I think, in the last video. Moving east, I think it's east across here. And then back this way, you've got Alexandra Palace, where the darts are played. So you can also see where we were. So down there, I'll turn you around. I don't know if you can hear that music, but that is the Latin bar we passed earlier by the station. That's the station. That's the station there. I'll sort of zoom in. That's the station there. The Latin bar, I think, is there. And along here is the High Street. It's Peckham. So I think we've, where I sort of like came from was that way. But yeah, it's an amazing view, especially on a clear day like this. To see how flat London is as well. Like, we don't have that many high-rise buildings. There's just some over there, but it's a very flat city. But the view is impeccable here. So definitely worth a visit. This place is called Force of Wine. It's really close to Peckham Station, but I'll put a link in the description as well. I'm just coming down the road where we were previously, where Peckham Station is. So you've got the tracks here, and there's the microbrewery there. And there's a road down here, I believe, which has some really nice pubs. That it sort of changes up quite a lot. So you've got really nice like residential buildings here, these just like really nice houses that years and years ago would have been pretty cheap. Now, not so much. It does change from like the high road very quickly into this really nice, peaceful living area where there's just like lovely houses. They're all really nicely done up. As I said, there's a big gentrification aspect to this, where these houses have gone through the roof in terms of prices, but it is really nice. And there are some old pubs down this road, I believe. I'll just show you actually. You can see how like sort of really nice and quaint these streets are. Got the Montpellier pub, which is quite a famous pub. There. And there's another couple, I think, down this way. You can see how different this street is, like that, like these really lovely houses. And then we've got these like townhouses here as well, like really, like places I'd absolutely love to live in, but cannot afford. There's this really nice cafe with this curved glass and these Victorian bricks. Petit Two, I think it's called. And this road, especially in the summer, is really nice. Like all the trees, the foliage is out. It looks a bit barren and bare at the moment. But there's this pub here also called the Victoria, which we're going to pop in. But anyway guys, that was my tour of Peckham. Sorry there wasn't that much to see, I think because of the really cold weather. Everything was a little bit closed off. When I've been here, well, actually pretty much every time I've been here previously, it's been like warm weather, it's been quite sunny. And there's just been more stuff to do. There's been more like street stalls, like bars are open, people are just more open in general. There's more just things going on in the street, and today it's quite hard to interact with people when everyone sort of just wants to get inside or wants to get just on with their day and just like from A to B without being outside too much. So this is what it's like in the winter. I think we saw a fair amount. This pub is the Victoria, by the way. I'll show you. Yeah, it's a really nice pub. On the street, round the corner is like around the corner it's like a restaurant you can eat in. I would definitely recommend coming to this area if you're coming to Peckham, because you get like the busy bustle of the high street, which is like a lot, but I personally think it's definitely worth seeing. In the summer preferably, in the warmer months I think it's definitely better, but coming off here you get like these really nice streets, nice pubs, they're cosy, yeah, it's just, for me it's just a really nice area and with some like real unique aspects to it. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if there's any other places in particular you'd like to see me visit, if you'd like to see me do the more sort of touristy places like the central London places, or if you prefer me to do like the outskirts and see the sort of lesser travelled spots. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe, it really helps me to reach new audiences, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. But yeah, thanks for watching.